Hi friends, this is Mohammad Awais Malik and welcome to my technological world here on YouTube Tech channel. Today we're gonna talk about upcoming LG G9 ThinQ. Let's have a look. The /Leaks website published the first high-quality rendering of the next flagship smartphone of the South Korean company LG, which will be released under the name LG G9 ThinQ. If you believe these images, which are created on the basis of leaked drawings, the smartphone will receive a screen with fairly noticeable frames around the entire perimeter as well as a drop-shaped cutout for the front camera. The main camera modules are located horizontally in a single line in the central upper part of the rear panel. Last year we saw this design with the flagship of LG and rival Samsung. On the bottom of the device are the speaker grill, a USB-C connector for charging and data transfer, as well as a standard 3.5mm headphone jack which fans should appreciate. The LG G9 ThinQ will be newest model in LG G ThinQ line, being it one of the best handset ever made by this brand. After all, it has several features that will be welcome for both your personal and professional use. One of these features is LTE 4G, which allows data transfer in a very efficient and fast way. In addition, the models also has a great multimedia players, video conferencing and Bluetooth. The new model also has a very beautiful and modern design. It features a large screen with a 6.1 inch and a thickness of 8.4 mm. As such, the model will be one of the slimmest handset you will find on the market. The volume and the power button of the smartphone are located on the left panel of LG G9 ThinQ. Presentation of the new products will be held at the end of February at the exhibition Mobile World Congress. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming LG G9 ThinQ. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comment sections that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World. And stay with us. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.